In the not-too-distant future, the world's economy has completely collapsed. The new One World Government and World Central Bank promise a new era of peace and economic security. There's just one slight hitch: Microchip. Everyone is now required to take one or suffer the consequences. This new means of payment replaces the old, outdated currency systems established throughout the globe. Tens of thousands flee to find safe haven where they can live without being microchipped. They survive by living off-grid, thriving and prospering. They form their own scientific community. There they make many discoveries in artificial intelligence, human genomes, energy production, RFID technology, and much, much more. Then, a shocking truth: the elite's plans for human-machine integration and the transhumanist agenda. Using genetics, robotics, nanotechnologies, and bioengineering, the elite plan to usher in an age of superhuman capabilities for select groups of individuals. For other groups, who knows? Microchip. Action, adventure, intrigue, romance, politics, and peril. Microchip. The agenda is now.